My video guide will help you to get rid of the ransomware that is called Xioxian. In this video guide, I will give you the demonstration of what exactly happens when this Xioxian ransomware attacks computers and attacks the files that the customers store on their computers. So before the ransomware attacks, there are no problems opening any file types. Regretfully, because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, these ransomware may be easily injected into the system, and pretty soon it starts damaging the files that people store on their hard drives. So this is what happens. The special Xioxian extension is now added to the files, and people cannot access their files anymore. They have a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the Xioxian extensions. The ransomware gives this scary message mentioning that people need to pay the special ransom for file restoration. It also says, unfortunately for you, a major IT security weakness left you open to attack, and other scary information. These criminals standing behind the Xioxian ransomware have damaged the files, and now people cannot access their data anymore. However, we strongly urge you not to pay this ransom because there is no guarantee that your files would be restored. So do not pay the ransom. We recommend you to immediately undertake the measures to get rid of this ransomware, and we suggest that you use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. To download Combo Cleaner, you need to go to the Internet Explorer browser, go to the website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. So download Combo Cleaner antivirus for your computer. combocleaner.com. Go to this official website related to Combo Cleaner antivirus. Install the software and then start carefully researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting and deleting the majority of ransomware type threats, including this Xioxian ransomware. The program is in the trial mode initially, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database for proper malware detection. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the program begins researching the system, and it will then give you the summary of all the threats that were revealed during the scanning. I would like to pay attention to the special feature of Combo Cleaner called Antiransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. And of course, this feature is very handy. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their exact location on the system. Combo Cleaner works very well at eliminating ransomware type threats, malware, or browser-related issues, and fixing other troubles. We recommend that you upgrade to the premium license to delete these threats altogether and automatically, and this way your system will always be protected in the future.